In this video, we have been given that AD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FC, that is 20, and angle ABC, it is 90 degree, and BD is A, BE is B, and BF is C. Then we have to find A square plus B square plus C square. So in ABC, it is A, B, C. This angle is 90 degree, and if we draw a perpendicular at A and perpendicular at C, then these three angles, they are 90 degree. So this angle, it will be also 90 degree. So here, if we draw a perpendicular at A and perpendicular at C, then this angle, it will be 90 degree, and suppose this point is M. Then here, if we draw a perpendicular from D on AM, suppose this point is A1, and from E on AM, suppose this point is A2, and from F on AM, suppose this point is A3, and from F on CM, suppose this point is C1, from E on CM, suppose this point is C2, and from D on CM, suppose this point is C3. Then these angles, they will be equal. Suppose theta, and in any triangle, if this angle is 90 degree, this angle is theta, and this length is 20, then this length, it will be 20 sin theta, and this length, it will be 20 cos theta. And here, suppose AA1 is X and BA1 is Y, then X will be equal to 20 sin theta, and Y will be equal to 20 cos theta. And again, these angles, they will be 90 degree, so it will be X, it will be Y, it will be X, it will be Y, and it will be X, it will be Y. And again, this length is Y, so C1, C2, it will be Y, C2, C3, it will be Y, and C3, M, it will be Y, and A1, A2, it will be X, A2, A3, it will be X, and A3, M, it will be X. And now, if we draw a perpendicular from D on BC, suppose this point is B1. Then BB1, it will be equal to AA1, that will be X. And DB1, it will be equal to C3, that will be 3Y. So, in triangle BDB1, this angle is 90 degree, BB1 is X, and DB1 is 3Y, and BD is A. So, A square, it will be equal to X square plus 3Y square by Pythagoras theorem. And also, if we draw a perpendicular from F on BC, suppose this point is B2, then BB2, it will be equal to AA2, that will be 2X, and FB2, it will be equal to C2C, that will be 2Y. So, in triangle BFB2, BF is B, this angle is 90 degree, BB2 is 2X, and FB2 is 2Y. So, B square, it will be equal to 2X square plus 2Y square. And again, in the same way, if we draw a perpendicular from F on BC, suppose this point is B3, then in triangle BFB3, C square, it will be equal to 3X square plus Y square. So, A square plus B square plus C square, it will be equal to X square plus 3Y square plus 2X square plus 2Y square plus 3X square plus Y square. And A square plus B square plus C square, it is equal to X square plus 9Y square plus 4X square plus 4Y square plus 9X square plus Y square. And A square plus B square plus C square, it is equal to X square plus 4X square plus 9X square, it will be 14X square plus, and 9Y square plus 4Y square plus Y square, it will be 14Y square, and it is 14 times X square plus Y square, and it is 14 times X is 20 sin theta square plus Y, it is 20 cos theta square, and it is 14 times 400 sin square theta plus 400 cos square theta, and it is 14 times 400 times sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. So, it is 14 times 400, that will be equal to 5600. So, A square plus B square plus C square, It is 5600. It is 5600.